Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Seema and today I'm going to show you how I paint tulips. So gather your art supplies and paint along with me. Here are the art supplies. I'll be using a set of 33 watercolors, a palette for mixing, a 4.5 by 6 inch cold pressed watercolor paper and round brushes in sizes 0, 3, 4 and 6. All these are part of a watercolor starter kit that I have shared with you in one of my earlier videos, and they are from the Golden Maple Art brand. I'll also leave a link to these supplies in the description below. I'm going to start by sketching the vase. I'm planning on painting a glass vase so that you can see the tulip stalks and leaves. For the tulips, you can start sketching some shapes like these. They look like ovals or egg-shaped. And as I begin painting, I'll show you how to add petals around these shapes. You can also start sketching some stalks and buds. I'm painting a basic C shape by dragging the belly of my brush downwards, and by varying the size of this shape, I'm going to show you how to create variation in the shape of the petals. With a clean brush, I'm dragging the color out of the C's. You can bring variation in the shape of the tulip by changing how you paint the C's. You can already see how this tulip looks a little different from the orange one. It looks a little more open because of the way I've painted the C's. I'm using sizes 3 and 4 for painting these petals. For the vase, I'm picking a mix of ultramarine blue and black. I'll use the same colors for the water also. Now that my painting is dry, I'm adding some fine details with my size 0 brush. This will make your painting stand out. For the outlines, I'm choosing a darker value of the color. You can also pick a black color. Here's the finished painting. Did you like the technique? Let me know in the comments below. So I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, and if you did, please give this video a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, if you would like to recreate this painting and share it on Instagram, please tag me at simply.seema so that I can share your work in my stories. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.